Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be probably a multi-day video over a course of a couple of trips to come up and work on the bus. As you can see, I'm in the bus today. Unfortunately, this trip I forgot my GoPro, so I haven't been able to shoot a whole lot of footage. I'm using my phone, and phone footage just doesn't seem to be all that great. But I'll do my best. So I'm spending some time today, as you can see on the ground behind me there. I've got 1, 2, and then up here in the front 3. Got all 3 air conditioners out of the bus, or removed from the ceiling. And so now I'm working on finishing taking down the few wall panels that are left. Ooh, the sun's right in behind. Sun right behind the camera. Let me turn it around real quick. So anyway, if you remember from previous videos, I couldn't take the rest of this paneling down on the ceiling until I got those air conditioners out, because the hardware to mount the air conditioners is mounted right through the ceiling panels. So I had a local gentleman here by the name of Keith. Keith, if you're watching, thanks for your help. He came out and drained the refrigerant out of the air conditioners for me. And so I was able to go ahead and finally pull them down. Went ahead and removed that back panel and the last roof panel up there. Working on getting this hardware down. I already took one of them down, laying over there on the ground. Got one more to finish getting down. I've got all of the rivets out of it. Got a couple of screws to go, and then I'll be able to take all these rivets down the middle of this panel, take these last 2 panels here down, and then I'll work on those hardware, get those pulled down, and then I'll pull those last 3 panels, and that will be all of the ceiling panels, and I'll be able to get all of the insulation behind those. So that's what I'm at, where I'm at, what I'm working on. I want to take a minute to give a shout out to Beckham up in Fargo. Beckham, your daddy told me that you really enjoy watching the bus videos, so I thought I'd give you a little shout out and say hi, tell you thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back to work, see if I can't finish taking this last little piece of hardware. I'll try to set up the camera, see if I can get some footage with this phone, but I don't know how much work footage I'm going to be able to get. May just be giving you an update when I get done for the day. Alright, thanks a lot. Okay guys, it's not the end of the video, but it's the end of the day. I'm done for today. Keep tripping the breaker on the cabin up there. Running the air compressor. It's just too hot with all the air conditioner going in the cabin and the air compressor out here and a big fan. Just keeps tripping the breaker. And it's hot in here without the fan. So I'm done for today. Hey guys, new day. I'm back in the bus. I don't have a whole lot of time to work today. I've got to head home and get ready to go to my job tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to get a little bit done for an hour or two. Yeah, as you saw in the earlier clips in this video, I got the air conditioner in the back down, got the paneling down, got the air conditioner in the middle down, got that paneling down. And in the front here, this air conditioner is down, but I still have to remove that hardware before I can get these 3 panels down. So my goal for today is to get that hardware off. Those rivets are really tough, so I was having to use my angle grinder, grind off the heads of the ones I could get to, or that I could reach. The ones I couldn't reach with the angle grinder, I was drilling out the center and then using the chisel to knock the heads off. So it took a little time to get those for this middle air conditioner, but I eventually got it. So that's my goal. The bus is really hot today. I'm going to try to get those off, get these 3 panels off, and then the last of the insulation, and then that'll probably be it. I'll call it a day. So if that's something you want to see, stick around. Guys, real quick before I get started, I just wanted to show you guys something. If you ever heard a YouTuber say that YouTube is like a second job or a full-time job, or daily vlogging is a full-time job or anything like that, I believe them. I'll show you what kind of stuff that we have to go through to get these videos shot and put out for you. So I told you yesterday that I forgot my GoPro on this trip, so I'm using my phone to film. Well, I guess when I set my phone on the charger last night, I either didn't line it up right as a wireless charger, or I bumped it at some point in the night because it didn't charge. So now I'm trying to use my phone that's only got like 12% battery to shoot video because I forgot my dirt dauber or something flying around my head. So I'm trying to use my phone. It's got like 12% battery to film video that probably not going to last, all because I forgot my GoPro. So then I went to get my external battery so I could hook my phone up to the external battery and have it charge while I'm videoing. And apparently I left those laying next to the GoPro at home because I didn't bring those either. So my solution, I got my jump box out of my car and I'm using it to power my battery. This is the camera setup I normally use for my iPhone. So it's got a microphone with a windsock, or whatever those things are called. But the microphone plugs into the iPhone. So when I'm plugged into this to charge the phone, I can't plug the microphone in. So luckily, I'm just going to be doing some footage with a camera set up and doing some footage of me working for y'all to watch. But that's just a brief little explanation of the kinds of things that you have to go through. And yes, it's my fault. I forgot the iPhone or the GoPro, and I forgot the external charger. But that's just part of the point. You have to remember to take all of that stuff with you whenever you go anywhere, if you want to get any good video. Anyway, my little just insight to what YouTubers go through to try to bring content to y'all. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, go ahead and hit subscribe, hit like, share the video, leave some comments down below. Try to be nice though. And I'll try to respond to as many of them as I can. And I appreciate y'all watching. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work. Hey guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Unfortunately, I didn't get everything done that I wanted to get done. I got this hardware that was holding up the air conditioners. Got it removed. But unfortunately, when I went to start doing these rivets on the ceiling panels, the air chisel broke, and I can't get it to get enough power to knock those rivets out. I could go through with the angle grinder and just cut them all off that way, but that would take a long time. And I've got two new air chisels. I bought a couple of the ones from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna show. So I got two new ones, smaller ones, that I figured I'd try out, but they were about 1/10 of the price of the other one that I bought. So I figured go ahead and get a couple of them, and I got the 2-year warranty on these, so if anything happens to them I can take them back. The problem is they require oil squirted down in here, and I don't have any oil, so I'm gonna call it for this video. It's really hot and I gotta get on the road and head back home soon anyway, but I almost got everything I wanted to get done this trip done. I got all 3 air conditioners done, and I got all of the ceiling panels for the back air conditioner and the middle air conditioner. And these 3 is all I need left to get the ceiling panels done. So I'll do those next time I come, and then I'll start on the panels underneath the windows. Now, unfortunately, guys, it's going to be a short video today. But I appreciate you watching. If you like what I'm doing here and you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the like button. Helps me out with the algorithms on YouTube and show my videos to more people. And leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna try to be nice, and I'll do my best to respond to as many of them as I can. Until next time, thanks for watching.